Hey there! Are you ready to make some weekend plans? Imagine catching up with a friend after a busy week. Amit kicks it off, asking Rila if she's free this Saturday. Rila checks her schedule. Yup, she's in. Amit throws out some exciting options. Movie or chill time? Ria's all in. Which movie are they watching? Amit suggests the latest action flick. Sounds thrilling. Ria's heard good things about it. What time are they going? Amit suggests the perfect slot, 5 p.m. Then it's dinner time. Rilla jumps in, offering to book those must-have tickets. Amit's on it. He'll send her the cash. Rilla confirms and wraps it up. Tickets will be booked. Amit can't wait for the weekend. It's going to be epic. Rilla is just as pumped. What a plan! And that's how easy it is to make weekend plans. So, who are you making plans with this weekend? Remember, it's always easier when you just ask. Hit that like button if you enjoyed their chat. Don't forget to plan your weekend, starting now. Catch you next time for more fun conversations.